Are you ready for a student design challenge? This one is going to be a bit personal. Your task is to create a personal brand for yourself or your freelance business. You may be a graphic designer, web designer, illustrator, or creative writer, but all of us have something personal about us that makes us unique. I want you to create a logo that best represents your unique approach to your craft. This could be with use of color, symbols, abstract art, or something that has personal value to you and your business. Branding is more than just a logo. The logo is a small part of this. For the student project, the only requirement is to create some sort of logo and name presentation, but also to combine it with other brand assets. This can be a business card, a simple letterhead, or just a simple social media post using your brand and extending your brand out to one item. So we can see how this works in action. I would love to see your work, so make sure you post in the community area of the course you're currently taking, or post in the student Facebook group, or just message me your work. Remember the following when creating your personal brand. Number 1, remember that personal branding is hard. It could be very introspective and require you to really think about your style, skill, and uniqueness. Number 2, that personal brand development is about hitting your desired target audience. What type of clients do you want to attract? Number 3, that you may go back and forth between lots of great concepts and still not be able to settle on one. That is why submitting concepts to a community can be helpful in helping you think and process through which one might work out best for you. I will do a live review of all personal branding projects on Tuesday, the 26th of November at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll be live streaming and reviewing everyone's submissions on my Facebook page at Lindsay Marsh Design and on the student Facebook groups. I will also post the video on YouTube and Facebook afterwards if you cannot make it live. If you want to follow the entire personal branding process, I do so in my Freelance Masterclass for Creatives course. That's on both Skillshare and Udemy. You are not required to be a student or enroll to participate. Everyone is welcome. I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with, and I'm expecting this to be a highly active student design challenge with lots of great projects submitted. There will be a Best in Show winner to the person who shows strong personal branding principles. So I will see you Tuesday, the 26th of November.